Hi, I'm Megan. Welcome to my channel, and in this video I'm going to share how to add a fabric lining to a crochet bag. I like to add fabric linings to my crochet bags because it helps keep whatever is in my bag from poking out of the holes that form with a lot of crochet designs. I like to use solid color fabrics for my linings to match the project. For this bag, I'm using black, and there is no right or wrong side to this fabric. But if there was a right side, I would fold and lay my fabric down right sides together, and then lay my bag on top of the fabric like this. Next, I'm going to trace around the side and bottom seams of the bag using some tailor's chalk, and I'm going to add 1/2 inch seam allowance. I'm just eyeballing that seam allowance as I trace around. For the bag opening, I'm going to switch to 1/4 inch for hemming allowance, and again I'm just eyeballing that around. And for the straps, I'm moving them out of the way and drawing a straight line across to connect. So you can see that I have my lining pieces drawn out, and they are not perfectly symmetrical, and that's fine. It doesn't have to be perfect. As long as I follow the seam allowance I included, this lining will work nicely. I'm going to pin all the way around the fabric like this, and then cut out my lining pieces. Now I'm going to sew my side seams from here to here, again using my 1/2 inch seam allowance. Remove the rest of the pins. If you want, you can leave the edges that were just sewn unfinished, or take the time to finish them using your preferred method. I'm going to use my pinking shears to finish the seam. Again, this is optional. Alright, now I'm going to finish the opening edges here. To do this, I need my iron, and I'm going to press over all the raw edges 1/4 inch to the wrong side of the lining, starting with the short ends, then the inner edges, and then the outer edges. Turn the lining over and repeat for the other side. Okay, I have my bag and I have my lining, and I'm going to stuff the lining into the bag so the inside of the bag is touching the wrong side of the lining. And then I'm going to line up the folded edges of the lining with the crochet bag and pin the lining to the bag all the way around. Here's what that looks like. Now I'm going to sew the lining to the bag very close to the lining edge, being sure to keep the lining folded over that 1/4 inch I pressed earlier, so all the edges have a nice clean finish. I'm really taking my time doing this, going nice and slow for good control while sewing. And if you use thread that is the same or a similar color to the yarn you used for the bag, these sewing machine stitches will blend in with the crochet stitches and you won't be able to see them. Alright, the lining is done. What do you think? Alright, that's it. That's how you add a lining to a crochet bag. Now I don't have to worry about my stuff poking out of the bag while I'm carrying this around. I used a sewing machine for this project. You could absolutely do this without one. You could sew this all by hand if you wanted to, or if you needed to. If you enjoyed this video, please be sure to like it so I know to make more videos similar to it in the future. And to keep up with future videos, please be sure to subscribe. Alright friends, if you've made it this far, thank you so much for watching, and I'll catch you in the next video. Bye!